Collagraph is a collage that you print. They can be made with all sorts of materials. These are the materials that you will be using today. First, you need a cardboard square about 4.5 inches, some glue and some scissors, and then materials to glue on them. Things like corrugated cardboard, yarn, foam shapes, foams that you can cut independently, as well as textured foam. Now you're going to make your collage on your square. Turn it sideways so that it makes it into a diamond, and then you can use all the materials to make your design.